We didn't make it to this estate sale until it was about to close down, but boy, I am glad we went. Made it as soon as I could. Yeah, my buddy came, bought 2 carloads of stuff, David.
Yeah.
He said you had a bunch of bags of clothes.
Yeah, we do. They're in the garage. You probably can't get them now. And we're going to be here tomorrow morning, too.
Yeah, that's what he told me, and I was like,
yeah.
Has it been busy today?
Well, they were, those guys.
Yeah.
Your buddy and his 2 guys.
Yeah, he told me.
Yeah, we were busy while they were here, but yeah, they spent a bulk of the time.
Well, because he told me, he goes, I love dealing with clothes and stuff. Right. He just said, I can't even get back to them, you know?
Right, yeah.
And I said, okay. What's your kind of price on stuff?
The clothes are $1 a piece.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And there's some nice shirts and stuff in the house and on the bed, too. So.
I'm a t-shirt connoisseur.
Yeah.
So I was like, you know.
Gotcha.
I was like, I love just t-shirts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you? What is it called?
Yeah, Fun Time Flippin.
Okay.
And that's what I do with my shirts. I auction them off if I don't keep them, you know.
Right. Okay.
So yeah.
Cool.
So I love to find stuff and.
Well, he bought a bunch of shirts over here.
He said he bought a bunch of new ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he sells at the flea market.
Right.
And so he comes and buys for me. I clear out storage units and stuff.
Okay.
So he'll come and buy a bunch of stuff off of me before I do my yard sale and stuff like that.
Yeah, if he can turn what he bought today around, he's going to do well.
Yeah, that's what he said. He goes, no, I did real good, but the cars are packed.
Yeah, he's full for sure.
I'm back here.
Okay. Is it everything or?
$1 a shirt. Oh man. T-shirts are yours?
I think so.
Growing up?
Oh, I don't know about growing up.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm 40, so I'll try to find all the stuff from my childhood.
Right. Yeah, that's why I'm 39. So. I mean, most of the stuff in this bag is from when we had a yard sale 10 years ago, probably.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I would imagine we just put the bags over there out of the way.
And just threw it in here.
Yeah. And they've been just sitting there. So.
That's how it goes.
And it's kind of like every time we have a yard sale, then we just keep putting more stuff.
Uh-huh.
Because also, he didn't never use this garage, so.
Right. It was good storage.
Yard sale garage.
Yeah. I have a 10 by 20 shed. That's what I use it for. Hello, dear.
Hello.
You got your little stack?
I have a stack outside.
Oh, do you?
I do. It's a lot of, there's some jeans and like some FootJoy polos.
Okay.
And
Look at the
then
Mickey
this is my little
tie.
pile here.
I'll throw this on there.
Okay, yeah, she took it outside for me and I hung it.
Or do you want me to put this up there?
Sure.
Well, I'll still look through it with you.
Yeah.
I still got, hi.
Yeah.
I still got the front closet for you to look at,
Oh,
too.
perfect.
Oh, I'll go. I'm her husband. So,
Okay.
yeah, where's it at?
You gonna go with him, honey?
Come on, big girl. Where's the closet at?
The front closet is right there.
Come on, big girl. Let's go look.
The coats are $5.
Yeah, I like that one.
Huh?
I like that one.
You like that one?
Yeah. What is it, big girl? What are you doing, Bashful?
Huh?
Here, we'll go show this to Mama.
I don't know. What's going on?
I was like, it's Cavalier Club, Athletic Club.
Huh. That's interesting.
It's old though. It's chocolate.
How do we feel about FootJoy shorts? If they're $1. Or do you just want to say no on shorts, because shorts don't do good. If we're trying to maybe not spend a ton. A trap, sealed CD.
Mommy,
I don't know who that is.
Mommy.
Headstrong.
Here's a Corvette
Headstrong.
Nike shirt.
Take on anyone. Them.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
I have 2 ties for $1.
We need to move on.
Yeah, I'm gonna move this such a way. Right. Come back and get some more.
Get some more. And the other one said that we're gonna be back in the morning. And
Yeah.
We'll be here about 6:30 in the morning.
Yeah, my buddy David.
Yeah, be back about 6:30 in the morning.
Did you check all these, honey?
I didn't really go through them well because I wanted to get in and see what else there was. I
These
wasn't
dungarees. These
interested
are
in some of the jeans.
Columbia corduroys.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't really get a good chance to
Mommy.
Levi's
move in
corduroys.
pretty quickly. There's more Levi's in the other room too that I didn't
Hold on.
grab because I wanted to talk to you and see what you were finding
doggy.
first.
Yeah, the shoes are over there.
All kinds of stuff.
So they must have liked to play golf, huh?
Yeah, he was a golf fan and a bowler
Oh,
and a car
nice.
salesman for 39 years.
Yeah, I saw the Crossroads.
Yeah, that's who he was working for. He retired 2 weeks and went to Myrtle Beach and came home and died in
Oh,
the 3
man.
weeks.
Oh man, I'm sorry to hear that.
Wow.
I've gotten a couple of these belts too since they're only $1. The Nike G Cut,
Yeah.
and then this is
They're $1 too.
Foot joint.
yeah. I'm trying to. And then that one.
Mhm.
Oh, this looks good. It's a Brighton woven belt.
Okay.
It's $1. I think there was.
I don't know whether you saw those on the bed or not, but
I think I did see a few. I think I feel good about this room. Those little candle holders on the wall are pretty cool.
Oh, those are cool.
I did shoes.
This way, baby. There's just a bag. I don't know how to fold that.
Oh, that's pink.
And then this is Cleveland golf. And this is
How much?
600 golf bags. I don't know. It's got clubs in it.
Yeah.
She said she'd have to ask how much that was.
I was just looking for orange tab and stuff.
Me too. So I was trying to get the one.
Orange or silver?
Silver tab. I was trying to do the same thing. I was trying to get orange tab, silver tab,
So guess.
made in USA.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a Travis Matthew beanie.
Oh, yeah.
Still got the little.
Is that another belt?
Yeah.
I'll go add it to the pile. Yeah, what do you think on these? They're Levi's corduroys. Or no?
I don't think corduroys really. I didn't even get a chance to look at the clothes in there. You were looking and I went on the other side and I still didn't look because I wanted to. You got trash here. You want to open that? Is that open?
Pantry. Any stuff we need?
Anything?
Oh, magic erasers.
Yep.
Water bottles and stuff.
Have on the water bottle.
Yeah.
$2 a piece.
Okay.
Yeah, my wife's gonna have to go get some more money.
You're the third person today to say that.
Alright, hang in that. You got it.
All right, what you got on the Santa Claus?
$2 a piece.
Oh, cool.
Actually, I can figure out the year of the encyclopedia. Dana, I've looked at some, like, remember we were talking about that when you showed me?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll get you on the table and load up.
I got you. No, they got Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus.
Very cute.
And then the other one's like a beach one.
Very cool. You want to get down? Okay.
38 there. What did she say for the
She
balls?
said, I don't know the balls.
542.
2 apiece on these.
Okay. 44. 5, 6, 7, 50 or 51. Did she price these or just give them?
No, they were just in the cabinet.
Yeah. And then what did he say on those?
2 apiece.
2. So we're at 57, right?
All right, we'll go get another 20 bucks.
Yeah. I can go do that.
Okay.
Did you get this? She walked off.
58. She said, I'm gonna put it on. All right, we're home, and while the kids are playing, we're just showing you all the hard goods stuff. Got the cloth teak Santas,
Yeah.
the golfing Santa, and like the golfing Mrs. Claus. I thought that was pretty cool.
While Santa's away.
And another one that he's like chilling in a beach chair or something.
Like on the
As long as those are in good shape, they'll do good. They gave us those for free.
Yeah, magic eraser.
They're thin erasers.
And
I was like, we'll always use those.
Great for business things.
Hydro flasks.
Yeah.
Wouldn't typically pick these up, but everything was so
It was
cheap.
really cheap. Yeah. So maybe,
Our grand total was $60, so we're not doing bad. Newer Pyrex bowls.
Yeah. They're the nice primary
Colors
colors.
are just so cool. But now we're going to jump into this giant heavy bag. Okay, we're now got everything laid out from the bag, and it's a different day. I've changed my outfit because, when you have 3 little kids and we're a busy family working from home, we never get a video done in the same day. But let's quickly take a look. These cool sweaters that my wife did pick up, this nice embroidered golf sweater. And then look at this Coogee style Tundra. Some of these are like $40 to $100. I snagged these Nike sweatpants. Those are easy 15 bucks. She got this really cool Travis Matthew beanie. Looks like that'll do about 20 bucks. This nice Corvette Nike polo. Looks like this is going for another 20 bucks. But then down here, she did a great job finding all of this like golf material. This FootJoy Dry Joys like pullover windbreaker, waterproof. That should do good. We've already got these belts listed. They were an easy list. I'm telling you, were incredible, and I'm glad she looked through them. You're looking at $15 to $25. We're already getting watchers on a bunch of these. Super, super good deal. All of these FootJoy polos are all the same size. She's actually going to lot these together and give some people some sweet deals. Clothes were $1 a piece. Another FootJoy pullover there. And then right here, the denim. We got silver tabs. We got these vintage carpenter jeans. Tons of Levi's. Just insane stuff. $1 a pair. Vintage Levi's will make some great money. And then that brings us to our whatnot pile. She found this really cool Wrangler, but it is a Skull Bandit Racing. This nice button down. Don't know if it'll move on eBay, but we're like, hey, whatnot. It's a great live auction site that we love to sell things, starting a lot of stuff at $1. And if you want to get involved, I'll have a link down below where you can get signed up. Whatnot will give you $15 free to just come and shop on the app. If you've never done it before, please go through that link and get you $15 for free. But just showing you quickly some of the stuff that we pulled out of here for $1 that we would love other people to get a great deal on. Oh, I heard a bump. Are you okay? Yeah. Told you we don't get videos done in one day. But yeah, Mom's in here. Day after Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. And happy Mother's Day to you. You did have a relaxing day yesterday, right?
I did.
But this is why she's hurting herself. She's trying to climb.
Bumped your mouth.
Yeah, so back to whatnot. It's always fun with little kids doing a video, but look at some of these shirts that we got for $1. Vintage, minor league, more NASCAR. This one looks incredible on the back, and I think we're even going to throw this cool Earnhardt lunchbox in there. But then it brings me to this thing, and I don't know which pile to put it in. You saw me get it out of the closet, $5. The Athletic Club Cavalier. I don't know if it's local. It's got the Dolphins colors, but it is a chalk line, extra large satin jacket. And for its age, this thing looks incredible. What would you do? Sell it on eBay or sell it on Whatnot? So if you buy from us on Whatnot, your vote's probably Whatnot. But yes, thanks for watching, and stay tuned because we've already worked on another video coming your way because we went out the next day and found more stuff. So you don't want to miss that, and we so appreciate you watching and tuning in. And yes, happy Mother's Day to any of the moms out there. You guys are doing a great job. And anybody that could be a spiritual mom, maybe a fill-in mom, maybe just a good woman of influence, shout out to you as well. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video.